Welcome on my YouTube channel, or on our YouTube channel, better to say. So, dear friends, this video is no product placement as it is sometimes here on my YouTube channel, because this flashlight I have received from my sons as a gift. They paid it for it. They have ordered it on internet, anywhere on internet. This is the Wuben G5 flashlight, and I have it in my pocket maybe 1-2 months. So I decided to make this review because I have used it yesterday by recording a video with my beloved old vintage speakers. These are the Philips from the 60s, more than 60 years old speaker boxes. And yes, I use flashlight every day, many times. Who knows how does it look like here around me? I need to use flashlight to find something here, there. So I have to wear or have flashlight always in my pocket. And up to now, I have used this one. Yes, it's also not bad, but it was about 2 years ago as a headlamp, but it is from plastic and everything is broken. Yes, it works, light is okay, but I'm disappointed with two things which this flashlight have. Two features for me the most interesting. I will explain it because for me it's not important the power of the light, because all of the flashlights, if you buy them as the new ones, they are always or usually more powerful than you need. You can walk anywhere nights in the wood, anywhere in the nature, or to search for something. It's always okay, no problem. So this video will not be about the power, about the charging, time of charging, and so it will be about the features which are for me very important. And the most important thing is what's in the packing. You can see it on the internet. Is cable for charging, USB and USB-C, but it's only for charging. I have connected my phone to comp with this cable and nothing happens. It's only for charging, very short, but it's enough. And also this hanger holder also on hand, but I put it there. But with this piece of textile, it doesn't, because it's here on the bottom, it doesn't stand flat, so I put it down and I have it so in my pocket. So it has also the warning light, no problem, or the RGB light. I will show it to you later. But the most important thing for me is that you can move, you can adjust the light. Let's switch it on. Okay, you can adjust it. It's also very good, and you can move it on the top, on this side. And it's for me very important, because I'm recording very often, for example, the crossovers which are inside the speaker boxes, and when I put this flashlight inside, I must adjust the angle to the crossover, and you can see it's always very problematic to put it in the right angle that you can see in the video, the crossovers. But with this one, no problem. I can adjust it in the angle which I want. It's super. Then here's a magnet on the bottom. So also not bad idea. And the second one, and very important, is that here's sliding cover. Yes, here on the side you can see the charging port, USB-C, but if it is closed, power button, nothing happens. You have to move it up and then it works. And by this flashlight, when I have it always in my pocket, I sometimes or very often I press the power button, it's switched on in my pocket, and when I need it I have to recharge it. So problem. So this sliding cover, perfect. Adjustment, this dual adjustment, super. And then any other features, but it's not for me important, are emergency, and then the RGB light. You can change the color, switch it on, and press one more longer. Yes, and you can adjust the color, but maybe it can be used when I would like to make some photography art, that I make some color video, color photography, but I must say I don't need it. And here is also metal clip. You can put it on everywhere you want. You can tighten it with this screw. But the angle adjustment and the sliding cover is for me very nice feature, very important. So if you would, and the body is from metal. I have it, as I told before, 1-2 months in my pocket. We can see the color, the paint, the surface paint here is damaged from my pocket, but it doesn't matter. So for me, it was a very nice present from my son. So thank you, my sons. So difference. If you would like to buy it, I can recommend it, and it's no product placement. I have recorded it because I'm very satisfied with this gift, with this present. So dear friends, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you would like to support our channel, and if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.